This is our second message for today. The promises of protection. These promises are for the people who are sealed by the Holy Spirit through HaKodesh. These are for the people of Yahuwah. He calls them his children. Psalm 55, verse 22. He will never let the righteous fall. Cast your cares on the Elohim Yahuwah, and he will sustain you. Psalm 145, verse 20. The Elohim watches over all who love him, but all the wicked will be destroyed. And the reminder is loving Elohim Yahuwah is obeying his commandments. Psalm 27, Psalm chapter 37, verse 28. For the Elohim Yahuwah loves the just and will not forsake his faithful ones. They will be protected forever. But the offspring of the wicked will be cut off. Psalm 91, verse 14 and 15. Because he loves me, says the Elohim Yahuwah, I will rescue him. I will protect him, for he acknowledges my name. He will call upon me, and I will answer him. I will be with him in trouble. I will deliver him and honor him. Those are the promises for his children. Deuteronomy chapter 33, verse 27. The eternal Elohim is our refuge, and underneath are the everlasting arms. He will drive away your enemy before you, saying, destroy him. 2 Samuel chapter 22, verse 31. As for Elohim Yahuwah, his way is perfect. The word of the Elohim Yahuwah is flawless, no errors. He is a shield for all who take refuge in him. Proverbs chapter 2, verse 7 and 8. He holds victory for the upright. He is a shield for those whose walk is blameless, for guards the course of the just, and protects the way of his faithful ones. Psalm 32, verse 7. You, Elohim Yahuwah, are my hiding place. You will protect me from trouble and surround me with songs of deliverance. 2 Thessalonians chapter 3, verse 3. The Elohim Yahuwah is faithful, and he will strengthen and protect me from the evil one. These are the promises of protection of Elohim Yahuwah to his children. His children are those sealed by the Holy Spirit and continue to obey his commandments. As I said, as a preview of the commandments, you can visit our website, KingYahuwahReigns.com, and search for the Pledge of Allegiance to Supreme King Yahuwah. Thank you very much, and you all have a blessed day. Goodbye.